everyone and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be working on how to download and install Pinterest on your Windows PC. Now, I want to download and install Pinterest, so from your browser, you can simply put in Pinterest, download on PC free. This is Pinterest, so you can see it here. So you can also use the Microsoft app, which is what I'm actually going to do eventually. It's as if it opens the Microsoft Store for me. So I can download and install the Pinterest app. Alright, so let's see, it's opening up Microsoft Store for me. So we're going to, this is Pinterest, you can see it here. Discover what you love, learn new tricks. So this is the description, the ratings, and everything. So to download it, I click on get. Getting ready, and then to download, I want to show it in. So it's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful on how to download. If you're preparing to download, it's going to take a while, which is why I'm not going to bore you with the boring aspect. So once it's preparing to download, they'll download it, and once it's in, you can now use it. It's as simple as that. So if you found this video helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks for watching.